Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the stationary heater on Mercedes C-Class Generation W205. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find them, guys. By the way, we'll talk about hidden fuses, fuse boxes, information that can potentially, guys, save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So make sure to stay until the end. Also, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out if you need anything. And you can, guys, see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the stationary heater, we will show you guys where you can expect to find the fuses and relays. That they will be working actually in 2-3 different fuse boxes. So quick advice, 9 out of 10 owners of that generation Mercedes C-Class do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. Some do not even look like fuse boxes, but they're fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video our subscriber told us saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. And what we guys need to do here, we need to open the passenger side door. Come in the footwell compartment here, right? And here, guys, okay, on the right side, on the A-pillar, on the plastic trim, you have one plastic cover. Open that cover. Underneath, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. If you have the stationary heater, guys, which fuses and relays we need to check? Now, depending on the year, model, configuration, you may have all of them or some of them, but one of them will be fuse number 318. You will have that fuse right here, guys. Now, another one that you will need to check, okay, by the way, behind the dash, you see that's your glove box here, right? If you remove it all the way on the inside, in the back, on the left side, you have a pre-fuse box, and if you open it, you need to check fuse number 5, right here. Then you need to open the trunk. In the trunk, leave the carpet liner up. In the very back on the right side here, you have another black, kind of like carpet insulation. Lift that flap up, and behind it, guys, you're going to find the trunk fuse box with a layout here. Here we need to check one more fuse, and that fuse will be known as fuse number 410. We're looking at that fuse right here. If you have the stationary heater, check it as well. You don't have any relays. The relay function, most likely it's controlled by the front or the rear SAM control module, most likely the rear SAM control module. So check fuses for front, rear SAM control module. If you don't know where they're located, we'll have the video on the channel to help you with that as well. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.